is a quick tutorial on how to block dates that are not available for bookings, and also how to confirm reservations that were paid either by bank transfer or cash payments. Once you log into your dashboard, you'll select your property. To block out the dates, you'll go to the Reservations tab, which will bring you to the page where you will find all of your current reservations. It'll also show you the status of the reservation. To block out dates, you're going to choose Add Reservation. You're going to choose the property. If you have multiple properties, all of the properties will show here. You'll select the one that you're blocking the dates for. You'll set the status as confirmed, and you'll choose the payment method as cash. If you choose PayPal or Stripe, it is going to take you to a payment page, and it won't let you progress unless you add a payment. So in order to avoid that, you want to go ahead and choose the cash option. You'll go ahead and set the dates. In this case, we'll do March 26th to March 31st. We'll go ahead and make a note as to why we're blocking these dates, and we'll go ahead and save. It does ask you to put in a name. You can put your own name, you can put any name, it doesn't matter what name you put and what email you put, because since this is just a block date, it's not going to send anything. You're going to go ahead and hit save, and once you come back to the reservations page, you'll see that these dates are confirmed. And when you go to your calendar, you'll see that those dates will not be available. They'll be grayed out. In the event that you have someone that you received payment on, they made a reservation, you received a payment by wire transfer or by cash, you do need to go back in and confirm that reservation. Otherwise, those dates are still available and someone else can book it, and you will end up with double booking. So we'll use one of these reservations that's showing a pending status, because this is what it will show if it has not been confirmed. So you'll come to your reservations page again. You'll select the reservation based on the date. You'll click on the pencil icon. You'll come over here and you'll change the status from pending to confirmed. That's basically all that you need to do. You can also send an email to the customer letting them know that the reservation is confirmed, the payment is received. And once you change the status, you'll go ahead and save the reservation. In this case, it does have a second tax. You'll put 0 if your state does not charge a second tax. If it does ask you to fill that in, you can just put zeros, and then you can go ahead and save that. When you come back to your reservations page, you'll see that the reservation is now confirmed, so that when you go to your calendar, it will show that these dates have been blocked. If you have any further questions and need further assistance, feel free to contact us at www.kingdombnb.com in the Contact Us section.